Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys tecno setting, and today friends I am going to show guys tecno guys app notification off setting. How to turn off app notification in tecno mobile. Friends, you want to off any app notification, example you don't want to use your mobile, Play Store notification, Gmail app notification, game notification, Google app notification. So now how to turn off app notification one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this tab interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone, notification center setting. After turn on guys notification center setting friends, wait for 5 and 10 seconds. After 5 and 10 seconds friends, your app notification will show here. So which app notification you don't want to use guys, right click here, you can turn off app notification. Example friends, I will turn off my Gmail app notification. So after turn off Gmail app notification friends, I cannot use Gmail app notification in my Tecno mobile. Friends, you can check I have 3 app notification. Google app notification guys I have. So friends, now we will turn off Google app notification. Where is Google app? Google app. So friends, I have Google app notification. I will turn off Google app notification. Okay, this notification will remove automatic from my screen. Friends, you can wait and watch. One notification will remove. And friends, I have this Plam notification also. So where is my Plam store notification I have. So friends, I will click here. Notification will remove. So like that friends, you can remove app notification and you can turn off any app notification in your Tecno mobile. And friends, I have got this X launcher setting notification. So friends, I will turn off. So friends, you can see notification will remove automatic. And you want to on, so friends, you can on app notification, right click here, app notification will on in your device. So like that friends, we can use app notification setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.